things need to consume to survive. Today we'll be talking about food chains and the energy pyramid. In order to understand this, we first need to define an ecosystem. You may think of an ecosystem as all the living and non-living factors in an environment. An organism in an ecosystem depends on the next organisms as well as on the environment in order to survive. Therefore, organisms in an ecosystem form food chains and may even form food webs. A food chain is a series of organisms that depend on the next as a source of food. There is also a transfer of energy from the one organism to the next. Let's demonstrate a simple food chain. The food chain usually starts with the sun giving energy to a producer. This could be any plant as they produce their own food through photosynthesis. Next we have a primary consumer, which could be a herbivore. After the primary consumer, we have the secondary consumer. If the secondary consumer is a predator, the food chain usually ends with it. If not, there could be tertiary or quaternary consumers. Try linking food chains to make a food web. The energy pyramid is much like the food chains. However, the focus of the pyramid is more the levels in the food chain rather than the specific organisms found within that food chain. Here, each level depends on the level or levels below it. Let's begin constructing our energy pyramid. Here we have 15 cups labeled with living and non-living factors. First, we will group the cups into the different levels. For level 1, we'll have the non-living factors, which is the air, the ocean, water, sunlight, and soil. For the second level, we will have our producers, which in this case is the fungi, trees, grass, and algae. For the third level, we have our primary consumers. Here we have birds and fish, insects, and grazers and browsers. For the second last level, we have scavengers and predators. And right on top of the pyramid, on the fifth level, we have humans. Let's build our energy pyramid. Now you can see that all the levels depend on the levels below it. What would happen if we took away the humans? Let's find out. The pyramid still stands. You could even argue that all the levels below it would actually thrive or even become overpopulated. Let's restore order and replace the cup. Now, what would happen if we ran out of water or air? Let's take out the ocean cup. As you can see, the pyramid collapses and the order is all over the place. So basically, the levels below it are important for every and all the levels above it. This is an important lesson to learn when looking at ecosystems. I hope you found this lesson helpful and easy to do. Please like and subscribe and leave any questions you may have in the comments below. Until next time, remember, always question, always wonder.